Want to make your product recommendation quiz truly stand out? With custom CSS and JavaScript, you can transform your quiz to match your brand perfectly and add interactive features beyond standard options. Let's dive in. Your business is unique. Your quiz should be too. Custom CSS and JavaScript allow you to maintain brand consistency, match your brand's colors, fonts, and layout, enhance user experience, improve quiz navigation and readability, add unique functionalities, create dynamic interactions, animations, and custom behaviors. Let's start with CSS. Adding CSS is easy. Just follow these steps. Open the Quiz Builder on your Revenue Hunt app. Navigate to the Quiz Design section. Scroll down to Custom CSS, click Add, and enter your styles. Want custom fonts? Use Google Fonts. Pro tip: use Browser Dev Tools, Inspect Element, to find the right CSS selectors. With JavaScript, you can go beyond visuals and make your quiz interactive. Popular customizations include displaying alerts when an answer is selected, adding custom trackers, personalization of product recommendations. Adding JavaScript in Quiz Builder is easy. Open Quiz Builder and navigate to Advanced Settings. Scroll to Custom JavaScript and click Add. For even deeper customization, use the Callback function to access quiz responses dynamically. Whether you're aiming to build your own results page, add unique code, display custom product recommendations, or direct users to specific pages on your store, callback functions offer a versatile solution. Before you go all in on customization, keep these best practices in mind. Use dev tools. Test and debug in real time. Optimize performance. Keep scripts lightweight for fast loading. Ensure cross-browser compatibility. Test on multiple browsers. Document your code. Future, you will thank you. Now it's your turn. Try customizing your quiz and let us know what cool features you create. For even more expert tips and in-depth guides on optimizing your product recommendation quiz, visit revenuehunt.com/blog.